What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna be doing a POV video for you guys. So this is how it is driving a Catless mid muffler deleted Dodge Charger Scat Pack 392 Hemi. I still have my resonators on and I have 5-inch exhaust tips. So this is the sound of my car. This is with the windows up. Now honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, driving a car that is Catless obviously is loud, as most of you guys know. Do I recommend doing it? Absolutely. If you drive a Dodge Charger or Challenger 392 Hemi, or even a Hellcat, I recommend you doing this mod to your Dodge Charger / Challenger immediately. You can get stainless works, or you can get JBA branded mid pipes for your Dodge Chargers and Challengers. You don't have to do any welding or cutting. As a matter of fact, you don't have to do any of that. All you have to do is just unclamp the catalytic converters and then clamp on the downpipe. I also recommend you get O2 dummy sensors so that your check engine light doesn't pop on. For me, I had mine on for a little bit and then I got O2 dummy sensors, put them on, and then I put them on at my buddy's shop, and the check engine light went away. I've had this set up for over a year now and I absolutely love it. With daily driving, it's perfect because if you drive in track mode, obviously you're going to hear more of the car, but if you want to drive peacefully and just listen to your music, go out for like just a normal drive, just put the car in auto, put it in eco mode. The car will be quiet. Just my recommendation to you guys is do not, whatever you do, cut off your rear resonators. The resonators are next to the exhaust tips. Don't cut those off. Just cut off the mid mufflers and put 3-inch piping in place of the mid mufflers, and put on the Catless downpipe. That's the biggest recommendation, honestly, because this sound is non-parallel to any other sound. I'm gonna lower the windows for you guys. You guys can hear how it sounds. You guys can hear more pop, a lot more. So as you guys probably can't even hear me anymore because of the wind. Gonna watch my speed over here because this area in particular is really bad with cops. I'm in Inkster, Michigan, and the cops here love to pull people over for the most retarded reason they can find to pull them over for.